Big weekend this weekend with La Jolla Concours, and we won the trophy of the best hypercar. The SP2, you feel every bit of the road, the wind, it blasts in your face. We're gonna do the delivery of the SP3. This spec is absolutely crazy. Hey guys, Fast Lane Drive. Our member Roy gave us two cars this weekend, the SP2 and SP3. I'm so excited to have this car on the rally and Fast Lane and having this car at the concours. This is just a big accomplishment for everybody. The channel is growing like crazy, so don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment it a little. Right now we're gonna do the delivery of the SP3. This spec is absolutely crazy. We also have the SP2 coming. It's going straight to a garage. It's gonna stay there for 2 to 3 days. I cannot wait to show you the car, show you all the spec, everything that is good about it. Please let us know what you like about the car or what you don't like. But thanks God this car is here. What an incredible spec. Let's go. Mamma mia ragazza! So we're gonna continue about the two cars. SP2 engine 6.5 liter, naturally aspirated V12, powered by the 810 horsepower. 0 to 60 around 2.9 seconds, and the top speed is about 186 miles per hour. However, I will not want to drive that fast with this car. The Daytona SP3, look at this, 6.5 liter naturally aspirated V12 based on the 812 Competizione engine. Obviously, this is one of my favorite engines. Power 840 horsepower, so only 30 horsepower more than this one. 0 to 60, 2.85 seconds, a little faster due to the aerodynamic of the car. Top speed 211 miles per hour. Daytona SP3 is just more powerful. He has a better technology, updated chassis dynamics, and even better downforce. So this car is more about the design. Enzo Ferrari always say aerodynamic is for people who don't know how to build an engine, but Ferrari kind of changed a little their mind on the last couple of years. They actually start to build a car with a really good aerodynamic. The SP2 is experiencing a pure old school Ferrari. You feel every bit of the road, the wind, it blasts in your face, the speed. It's more about passion, not about comfort. So this one you take it on a Sunday, this one you take it on a Saturday. In the Daytona SP3 you will get brutal power with a more refined ride, more composed on track, and give it more confidence to push to the edge. SP3 also around 599 units, SP2 originally about $1.8 million, but secondary market is incredible. Just to know they're getting this car like that from Beverly Hills, not from aftermarket. And this one is about 2.2 million, but when you spec it, you want carbon like this one, it's about 2.5, 2.6 million dollars. The sensation driving this car is just next level. Like driving your A12 or F12 without any roof, you feel that anything can go wrong at any time. What an incredible sensation we have. I'm sure everybody wants some acceleration. We're not going to do it too much, but it's really sick.
Okay. The SP2 is a throwback to how older race cars used to be. I like the heritage design of this car, and I like that you have the full experience. All the senses are right now being triggered. The wind in your face, the sound, the noise, the smells, it's just incredible.
To continue, final verdict, love open air purism, feeling every heartbeat on the V12. This one, warm futuristic masterpiece with insane performance. Honestly, it's a perfect world. I want both. Can I have both? If I would have to pick one, yes, a little this one. But having both today is just masterpiece, is everything that I want in my life. If you could have one, guys, that's the question, and please describe in the description. What would you choose? The Ferrari Monza SP2 or the Daytona SP3? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more epic content. So let's go and look at this beauty. Hey guys, so we had a really incredible weekend. I'm exhausted and dead. Friday we had a full day event. Saturday we woke up at 5 a.m. We went on a drive. We had an after party with Fast Lane Drive and all the concours. We had 20 cars on display over there, and we won the trophy actually of the best hypercar. To finish the weekend, beautiful SP3 and beautiful SP2. We have my beautiful Revelto here. We have a lot of cool, I will say, regular car, 296 GT3 RS and the 296 mine to finish it. So Fast Fastlane is growing this weekend. It was incredible because the brand recognition we realized is really good now. A lot of people came to us this weekend to talk about Fastlane, how they can join, talk about the philanthropy also that we are doing. So if you want to join, go in the link in the description. Leave a little comment also, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna bring this car a lot on rallies now. It still didn't have a PPF, so this weekend was a little complicated with it, but we're gonna do something really big. I'm not saying, but it's gonna be in an airport and maybe with an helicopter. Love you guys, see you later.